Hi, Adrienne from Precious Tresses, and this is day 2 of the braid out. So I wanted to show you how it looks the second day. I used to rebraid and then unbraid in the morning, but I started doing the pineapple method recently, which is wrapping the scarf around and then I would pile my hair and then put my sleep cap on. So this is how that looks in the morning after I take the sleep cap off. So now I'm going to show you what I do. So I just take this off. Let the hair down, and then I get some of the Make 'em Melt, because with this style and any style where I'm wearing my hair down, I'm always worried about my ends. So I'm just going to put Make 'em Melt on my hair, but focusing on my ends. And as you can see, it kind of looks a little white at first, but after a couple minutes it all soaks into the hair. So that is day 2, and like I said, I want to show that these products will work with other styles, but I want to emphasize that they were designed to work with protective styles. So if you've been trying to grow your hair out and you've been using your products with styles where you wear your hair down and it hasn't been working, if you use these products like that, they probably won't work either. What I want you to do is try something new. Find a protective style that you like, a style where your ends are protected all day. I prefer the bun, but you know, other people do braids or whatever. But a style that protects your hair, and then these products provide enough moisture so that your hair won't break off. So try something new, and hopefully you'll see the results that I've been able to see with these products. Peace.